Question: who's ready for a slow cooker recipe? Back in a minute. That's one of those songs you dare not keep your headphones on. Hi, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money. How you doing today? Hope that this video finds everybody doing well. Every once in a while, I get a craving for my favorite. It is so inexpensive. I call it tender beef and pepper recipe, and I do it every time. The best way? How? In the slow cooker. It is so delicious. It is so easy. It is a joke. It is so budget friendly. Now, you know when you go to the meat section of your grocery store and you see that already pre-cut up pieces of like chuck, those stew pieces to be specific, definitely buy them. But the first thing you're going to do with that is freeze them because this is very helpful in the process. You're going to need that. You're going to need it semi-thawed when you use it, and I'll explain in a minute. You're going to need one red pepper, one red bell pepper, one green bell pepper, one medium onion, if you like onions, 2 8-ounce cans of regular tomato sauce, a little bit of oil in a skillet, and then later on at the end, you could use either one of the following: a crusty loaf of Italian bread or a cooked bed of white rice. That's at the end. You do that, of course, separately. The method is so simple, it is a joke. When you get that semi-thawed meat out, the beef chunks, why do I want it semi-thawed? Halfway frozen, really. Easier to cut into thinner slices. Not very, very flat, thin slivers, but just smaller pieces. Still chunks, but smaller, okay? Then what you're going to do is put a little bit of oil in a frying pan, and you're going to brown that meat, and you're going to add some the onion to that, little salt and pepper, and you're going to clean out those peppers, the red and green bell pepper, cut up the slices, throw that whole thing in your skillet until the meat is brown. You're not cooking the meat, you are browning the meat, okay? You shut that off. You flavor it the way you like, salt, pepper, whatever other seasoning you enjoy. Then what you're going to do in your slow cooker, you're going to add the 2 8-ounce cans of the tomato sauce and a half a can of water. One of those cans, fill up a half a can of water. Throw that in. Then you're going to drain and shovel everything you just had in that skillet into your slow cooker. Cover it. Put it on high for 3 hours. Oh my gosh, I love when it starts smelling really good. Everybody wants some. All the flavors marry. The texture of the beef is unbelievable. It is so good, and I know you will thank me for it. So like I said, at the end, you can put it on a bed of rice if you prefer. You can make a nice hero sandwich or buy a bunch of rolls, crusty rolls, and enjoy it. It is an amazing meal. I know you will like it. There you go. All right, everybody, till the next time. There is one thing I'd like to ask for you to do. Be right back. Have an amazing, fantastic day. If you make it, let me know. Take good care. Bye-bye.